Good evening, viewers. So it's quarter to 6 o'clock at evening, and it's time to record myself for practicing English. And usually, this time I record myself uh, and share grammatical parts, but due to lots of engagement, I couldn't remember to what should I talk about today because it was holiday. I had lots of work. I had to take my daughter to the salon, and I also record a blog for Facebook and Instagram. I I put some Bollywood music, so YouTube doesn't accept music because of copyright. So I thought I skip this idea to upload on YouTube. But in my view, my blog went well. I edited well and uploaded on my Facebook account and Instagram account, and creating blog in English, it's also part of my learning journey because I'm not still fluent and still uh, try to speak in public, and that's a quite engaging quite a challenging uh, way to learn something. So besides lots of hesitation, fear, I just record. It was my third vlog which I recorded in public, so it was a quite engaging day, and so I didn't uh, think what should I read. And although I read something in morning time, but I am not able to I'm not able to recall it, recall those things. So okay, so I think it's better to say something on camera to be not saying something. So I came here and opened my phone and start something whatever in my mind. So actually I don't want to skip my practice session because this habit because of this habit I am able to say something on camera. And I think if I skip uh, one day, 2 day, then my confidence, my fluency will definitely break down, and I uh, can't bear any kind of risk, any kind of risk to break my consistency. So this is what I am thinking, and I came here and start recording this thing. So and it has been only 4 minutes, so I need to speak at least 5 minutes more. So what else I should talk about? Yeah, since I have already talked about conditional sentences, so uh, I think it should be good to revisit it, that conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, we divide sentences in four parts. First, first part, as you know, zero conditional sentences. In zero conditional sentences, we talk about natural things, like if you throw the ball up, it goes down. It's the universal truth. So if you hit the ice, it melts. If you stand in rain, you get wet. If you stand in sun too long, your skin gets burned. So like this, we use zero conditional sentences where there is no rule, just we say present indefinite, and the answer respond is the present indefinite itself. So now it's time to speak about conditional first. Conditional first, we talk about the general conditional. If somebody asks me, I will answer him. If somebody asks me to help, I will help him. If I meet her, I will convey your message to her. So if I don't practice, how will I learn this language? If anybody don't open his mouth, how will he learn this language? How will he speak? So this way we use conditional first, and now it's time to conditional second. We divided conditional sentences in three parts. First, we talk about a state of being. A state of being, it means, and conditional sentences talks about the hypothetical sentences which is not true, and we are just try to amazing things and say like this, like I am a common man, and I think if I were an IPS officer, I would teach him a lesson. If I were a doctor, I am not a doctor, I am an advocate, and I am just amazing. If I were a doctor, I will I will examine my whole family and would not let them ill. Okay, so like this state of being, if I were at your place, I would teach him a lesson. You don't scold him or do something him, but if I were at your place, it means if I am you, then I would teach him a lesson. So like this. And if we talk about possession, we use something which we don't have, and we think if I had a lots of money, I would purchase on aircraft. If I had money, I would go to the London. If I had his number, I would call him. If I had her address, I would visited her home. So like this, and now it's time to action. So conditional second action. So we talk about like right now the sky is clean, and I'm thinking if it rained, I would have a bath. Have bath. If if I met Mr. Salman Khan, I would take his autograph. If I visited Mannat Saruk Khan house, I would know how they live in their palace. So this way we use action conditional second, which is not right. We just amazing things. And now it is very important, which is very useful in day-to-day conversation. So conditional second third, we talked about in past activities something which should have done, something which we didn't do, and think if I had studied, I would have in a good company, I would have been a job, and I would have been earning a lot. So this way, and if he if if he had had not helped me had not helped me, I would have not been successful. If that day my brother didn't give me his car, how would I have gone to my in-laws house? If my brother hadn't helped me by giving me money, how would I established myself in my court place? So this way we use conditional second. And one thing very important, that is luckily you made tea. Otherwise I would have had to make tea by myself. So this is also a useful sentence we can use. So this is the recap, revisiting my conditional second which I have remembered. And now it's time to words. So recently I learned foil lawyer. Foil lawyer, it means a person, an advocate who has no brief, no cases, and he is wandering in court premises and seeking for a brief, a case. So, and you can say corridor wandering advocate. So foil lawyer, it's just a comment which I have learned from a web series Mamla Legal Hai on Netflix. And now second word, if I talk about nothing is coming in my mind, so let it be. I will discuss later on. At least I have been practicing 15 minutes, so it's good for me. Thank you for watching up to now. I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful night ahead. So enjoy, take care of yourself. Thank you.